Hi, my name is Scott Lindsay. I'm the Development Manager at Excel Automation, and today I'm going to give you a demonstration of our dashboard reports. Now, these reports are very effective reporting tools that can be used by any business and very quick to produce really useful results in the form of a dashboard. Now, I'm going to step you through just a couple of quick samples here, and then if you'd like more information, please contact us at our website and we can discuss how we can develop a more extensive dashboard for your business. So at the end of the process, we produce a series of charts that look like this. Now, these are dashboard sample charts. In these cases, basically they are pivot charts that show really key information for a business on how it's performing. In this case, it's average sales by sales staff over the last couple of years, basically colouring each of the sales staff's returns and sales, and then showing them over the 2007-2008 year. Right, and the product quantity chart here basically shows the quantity of products sold over the term for this particular set of data. And again, this chart is shown in a pie format. These can be changed to any format within Excel that you'd normally see in a chart. Again, down here we have the average sales by customer, so your key customers and sales over that time, shown in a different format to the one up here, but basically going over 2007-2008 again. And then again showing the sum of the sales and the quantity over a period of time in months. Now, I'll just quickly show you how these charts could be changed if needed. So let's say for the average sales by customer, we were really only interested, or we really only wanted to see a particular customer over that time, or two customers side by side. Let's say we were interested in ABC Chemicals and Levington Brothers. We just go and select those two. The chart will then change and show only those over that time. Now, if we're interested to see that breakdown by month, we would drag this down into this field here, and we'd see over the months of the sales that have occurred. We can then see the various values for those particular customers. Now, you can change and reset these as need be. So we can take the month back out and it'll set it back to that point. We can then go and reset that filter and select all the clients again, and the chart will change back. Now, in this case, we may only have 2007-2008. Maybe we're only interested in 2008, so then we'll go and select that year, and it'll focus on that year, and then we can bring down the month, and basically we'll have a series of monthly sets of average sales by customer. Okay, well, that's a quick demo of the dashboard sample charts. Let's just see how they're created. Now, we have a set of data that's been extracted from an accounting or operational system here, which is basically a list by date of a transaction for a product, the quantity, the unit price, and the sale that was made for those products that were sold, the salesperson and the customer. Pretty basic list. This can be any list of data that you may have coming out of your system. The bigger the list, the more data available over time, and also the more information in it, the more rich the reports can become. So basically this list just goes down and down and down, and this file can be an external file if the information is too large, and we can work with databases and any sort of information to then bring it into this reporting solution. Now, I'll just quickly show you how, if you're going to create your own pivot chart, this would occur quite quickly. You basically just select the data set all the way down, and this is in 2007 I'm working on here. It works in 2003 as well if you're still using that version. You choose a pivot chart, you've got your data, we'll choose a new sheet, and the pivot chart is created. Now you can begin starting to put information on your chart. So let's say we were interested in looking at the sum of the quantities. We wanted to look at them by the various products, and we were interested to see it by salesperson over that time. So here we have, over the total period, each of the salespeople identified by a different colour, showing which products they're selling the most of. So in this case, Jenny Ship has sold almost all of the products, as has Mark Towner, but some of the other salespeople are not really focusing on those. And as you can see, we also have tables of information which actually show the real numbers up here. Now again, we can bring down years to show the various values there. We can also bring those up and show different colours. We can have that as a report filter, so that if you wanted to just select 2008 as I did before, it would just show that. You can also put that back on. I'm going to select all, and then you can bring it down into the other values. Now if we're not interested in, let's say, a salesperson, and we're interested in customer, we then do that. And this is you're only limited by your imagination on what you can do in terms of producing reports on an ad hoc basis. Now I'll just show you some final things before we wrap up this demo. Now, as I was just mentioning there are a series of also just standard reports that don't come in a chart form like we have here, but are just standard reports that you can produce through pivot tables and pivot charts. Now here we have one which is a product report by staff member showing the sales by month over a 2007-2008. And these are all selectable and modifiable. If you're only interested in a couple of salespeople, here we'd choose Jenny Ship, Julie Lowe, and it would recalculate that report and show only those. We can set them all back again, and if we're only interested in, let's say, 2007 this time, take off 2008 and it would show that. And I've got a couple of other reports here. One's just by product with a similar time frame, and here this report is by product across the top and the month of sales showing down the bottom in quantities. So hopefully that's given you a bit of an idea or an appreciation for what pivot charting and pivot tables can do in terms of reporting and how quickly and easy they can be accomplished. Now, our company specialises in producing dashboard sample solutions for businesses. We help you in the setup of the extract of information for the raw data, and then in the initial setup of some key dashboard reports for your business. From that point, you're fairly able to work on these reports yourself, and they're updated and ready for use in your business. So please, if you're interested in anything you've seen here today, please contact us via our website, and we'll be more than happy to talk to you about how we can help you produce these dashboard reports for your business.